Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Thursday, February 14th, 2019. Strong activity continues at the Shivela volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, as new magma continues to rise and accumulate inside the growing lava dome, which is causing frequent avalanches and pyroclastic flows. The risk of a large-scale collapse continues to increase as the dome, which is now over 1,800 feet tall, grows larger and more unstable. On the 13th, the Gushchu mud volcano in the Shamaki region of Azerbaijan began erupting, which spread mud lava over an area of 5 acres. Damaging 2 homes in a village located 500 feet from the volcano. Over the past few days, the ground at the Mount Denison cattle station in the Northern Territory of Australia started burning and is nearly impossible to put out. After weeks of extremely hot temperatures, smoke began to rise from local yards. The ground was so hot, it melted a glass thermometer before reading over 200 degrees Celsius within 30 seconds. Officials are not sure of the cause, but believe it to be some sort of spontaneous combustion, as a result of the high temperatures combined with the amount of animal excrement on the ground. Experts admit that they have never seen anything like this before. After thousands of livestock died in the southern hemisphere due to extreme heat and severe flooding, nearly 1,600 dairy cows died in lower Yakima Valley, Washington, during severe blizzard conditions over the weekend. Local farmers that have been in the business their entire lives say that they have never seen anything like this before, as the animals were exposed to 30 inches of snow and temperatures of 18 degrees below zero. Over the past few days, more than 20,000 dead guillemots washed up along Dutch coasts, from the northern Wadden Islands to southwestern Zealand. Experts believe that the birds have died from severe starvation due to lack of fish. Once again, according to the Living Planet Index, our planet will have lost 2/3 of all animals that have ever existed by 2020. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. Keep your digital, personal information safe. Check out virtualshield.com. Just click the link I left in the description to start your free 30-day trial. virtualshield.com.